How to use Gemini Live on any Pixel device. This is my Google Pixel 8 device running the latest Android 16 beta version. So if you have any Google Pixel device, you can access the Gemini Live feature that will helpful to find the product, which product is this, find the, and you can ask any question and you can answer it live on your device. Let's see how to access the Gemini Live on your Pixel device. You can also use this feature on your Samsung device also. So first of all, long press the power button or on the Google Gemini on your Google Pixel device. So here we long press the side button. Now launch the Gemini. Here you can see share screen with live option on your device. So make sure this option is available on your Pixel device to use the Gemini Live. So long press the side button, tap share screen with live. Now tap select share entire screen or share one app. So select share entire screen on your Pixel device. Tap on a share screen. Now live with a Gemini you can see. Tap on it. Now you can see live on your Google Pixel device with a Gemini feature. Now let's see the example. Here we have a hard disk. Ask for it.
Okay, I'm ready to identify the hard drive. What would you like to know about it?
Which company hardware is this hard disk?
That's a Seagate hard drive. Do you need any information about it? Like its storage capacity or how to use it?
How to use it?
To use the Seagate hard drive, you'll need a USB cable to connect it to your computer. Once connected, your computer should recognize it, and you can drag and drop files onto it to store them.
So here we stop the Gemini and hold. So you can use Gemini using this. Let's see with another example. Here I have a mic for a green arrow. Let's ask is which company, which brand mic is this? Let's see. Now we start. Which mic is this?
That's a wireless lavalier microphone. They're great for recording clear audio because they clip onto clothing and stay close to your mouth. Do you have any questions about it?
Which company is this?
That's the Rode Wireless Go 2. It's a popular choice for content creators because it's super compact and easy to use. Do you have any questions about it?
This is the Not Rode. Which brand is this?
My bad. It looks like that's the Google Pixel wireless microphone. It's designed to work seamlessly with Pixel phones for clear audio recording.
Again, you said wrong. This is the green arrow mic.
You're absolutely right, my bad. That's the G-Track wireless lavalier microphone. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about it?
No, thank you.
No problem. Do you have any other questions about the microphone, or is there anything else I can help you with?
नो सो अभी आपने देखा कि इसके प्रोडक्ट के बारे में हम मुझे रॉन्ग दिखाया. हियर यू सी दैट्स टोटली रॉन्ग. Gemini Live, so it's take update. Make sure not all time it say true. So let's see with another example. Here we have a pen drive for SanDisk. So here ask for the Gemini. Which pen drive is this?
That's a SanDisk Cruiser Blade. It's a handy little USB drive for carrying files around.
Now you can see it will easily identify. So sometimes it correct the answer, sometimes wrong the answer. So it's need to update. So you can use Gemini Live using this feature. You can ask live any question and it will answer you. So this is the all settings or feature you can use in Gemini Live on your Google Pixel 8, Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Pixel 8a, Pixel 9a, and any other Pixel device support this feature Gemini Live on your device. So that's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.